how to confirm app installation with side button, double click. So if you try to install an app and you do not get that double click here, you need to go into settings, and in settings go down and tap on general. So we go back, it's not in general, we go down and tap on Face ID and passcode and enter in your passcode. From here, make sure you turn on use Face ID for iTunes and App Store. Make sure that is turned on. And once you turn it on, also you want to make sure in accessibility and in touch and in assistive touch, you want to make sure confirm with assistive touch is turned off. After that, you can simply get an app and then double click on the side button here, and that will allow your phone to go ahead and install the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.